Hello guys, in here I have my old iPhone 4S which I have used 10 years before. After 10 years I am taking this phone to check the conditions of this phone. Here you can see it has updated to version 9.8 in iOS. There is no SIM card in this phone but it has working perfectly. It is slow to load an app because the phone is updated to recent iOS version. Now we can go to settings. Only some arrows are there. You can see some scratches and crashes in this phone. And this is my iPhone 4S. There is some errors in Wi-Fi. You can see that Wi-Fi do not work and the Wi-Fi symbol is also high and battery is draining very fastly. That's it all.